Are you building an AI model? You need quality training data. Pareto AI promises to connect you with expert data labelers who deliver top-tier results, but is it actually worth the money? Let's find out. Pareto AI is a platform that matches AI companies with skilled data labelers. Think of it as a marketplace for high-quality training data. They work with big names like Character AI, ByteDance, and Imbue. The platform focuses on expert labelers, not just anyone. They claim to use the top 0.01% of data workers. These people handle complex tasks like data annotation, image labeling, and training language models. Pareto covers everything data related: image and video annotation, text labeling, sentiment analysis. They do even reinforcement learning from human feedback, which is critical for training chatbots and large language models. They offer two service levels: quick experimental projects for testing ideas, or fully managed teams for ongoing work. You get same-day data for experiments or long-term partnerships for bigger projects. The company raised $4.5 million in funding. They work with over 1,000 data labelers worldwide. 30% are based in Kenya. The team emphasizes fair pay and ethical crowd work. Here's where Pareto stands out: quality. Customers consistently praise the accuracy and detail. One client said they were amazed at the attention to detail across hundreds of labels. They use expert recruitment. Each labeler gets vetted. Tasks match their skills. A subject matter expert in laws handles legal data. A computer vision specialist labels images. This targeted approach beats generic crowd workers. Turnaround times are fast. Most projects launch within weeks. One company said working with Pareto feels like making an API call. That's high praise. Pricing is custom, no public rates. You can contact them for a quote. Industry insiders say it's competitive but not the cheapest option. You're paying for quality over volume. The downside: limited transparency on costs upfront. You need to reach out for estimates. Also, they're selective about projects. Not every request gets accepted. They prioritize work that matches their expert pool. Pareto AI works best for serious AI companies and researchers, startups validating technical ideas, enterprises scaling AI projects, and universities doing academic research. Bottom line, Pareto AI is worth it if you need expert-level data labeling and can afford premium pricing. The quality is consistently excellent, and the team is responsive and ethical. Major AI companies trust them for a reason. Just be ready for custom pricing and selective project acceptance. Check the link below, share your AI project needs in the comments, and I'll see you next time.